In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the chat filter in Microsoft Teams. If you're part of a busy team, you know how quickly chat threads can become overwhelming. With so many conversations happening at once, it can be challenging to find specific information or track messages from particular people. This is where the chat filter feature in Microsoft Teams comes in handy. It allows you to quickly locate messages by filtering conversations based on certain criteria. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to effectively use this tool so you can stay organized and save time. First, start by signing into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're already familiar with the platform, this should be straightforward. Enter your login details and open the application. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the main interface where you can access your chats, Teams, calendar, and files. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it will make navigating Teams much easier. Now we are ready to use the chat filter. Navigate to the chat section located on the left-hand side of the interface. Here, you'll see all of your recent conversations listed in chronological order. Right above this list, there's a small filter icon that looks like a funnel. This icon is your gateway to managing the numerous messages you have. Go ahead and click on the filter icon. Once clicked, a search bar will appear at the top of your chat list. This search bar is where you'll type in the name of the person, group, or keyword related to the messages you're looking for. For example, if you want to find all interactions with a colleague named Sarah, simply type Sarah into the search bar. Instantly, Microsoft Teams will filter your chats to display only those conversations that include messages from or mentioning Sarah. This chat filter feature can save you a significant amount of time, especially if you're searching for specific information within numerous messages. It's particularly useful for high-traffic teams or ongoing projects that require frequent communication. You can also use keywords related to topics you're discussing or even phrases from previous messages if you're trying to locate specific threads. In conclusion, using the chat filter in Microsoft Teams can greatly enhance your productivity. It helps you efficiently manage and navigate your conversations, minimizing the time spent scrolling through endless chat history to find what you need. Now that you know how to use this tool, you can enjoy a more organized, focused, and productive communication experience within your team. Thanks for watching, and happy filtering.